What's up guys, welcome to the Let's Ride Garage, and in this video I got a quick time lapse for you as I'm gonna start mocking up this Himalo bike, and I'm not gonna go into detail. I already put the frame back together after I painted it. If you saw the short, good for you. If not, there's a short out there where I painted, well, what I told when I show you when I was peeling off the decals on it. So it's already painted. Yes, I decided to go ahead and paint it, and I already put all greased up, all looped up, put the shock back on, and I'm gonna start putting in the back, mocking it up with the parts that I already have for this, just to start looking, you start seeing how it looks. As usual, if you're new here, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. I'll link everything in the description. And other than that, let's get right into it. All right, so this is how the bike stands right now. Everything else, I mean, I still have more parts for this. I'm not gonna put it in yet because I have some other parts on the way. I got a dropper post coming in. I got a 35mm clamp handlebar coming in. I already have the stem right there, the equalizer stem. This was supposed to be a red accent theme, so that's why I bought the red stem. I'll see if I painted it. If not, it's just gonna stay like that. I already got the cassette for this and the group set. I'm not gonna worry about that. And then on a previous video, I talked about all the specs, the geometry and all that. So make sure you check that out. And then I already have the brakes and everything ready to go. The only thing that I'm waiting for is for the dropper post, some cable housing for the dropper, and also the handlebar. And I think after that, everything's gonna be good to go. But it started to look more like a bike, and this is exactly what I was going for. So I really think the paint scheme turned out great, and we'll see how it holds up, because I didn't do the 4K, the 2K clear coat this time. I just went ahead and used the Rust-Oleum everything. So, but it's holding up really well, and we'll see how it holds up on the trail. And other than that, this is how it's looking right now. All the specs, droplets and all that. I didn't want to bother painting the the chainstay because of all the bearings and all that, so I just sprinkled it, and I think it looks all right, it looks good. Same thing with this thing right here. I didn't want to paint it up and I just sprinkled it and it kind of ran away, but I think this is just a paint job like I wanted it to look. And then of course we have the Let's Ride. This is what I did the short when I was filling out the stencils. Then of course I got my Scorpion logo right there. Then this is a fox that I bought from Pink Bike, I believe. These are the ones that I had for a while now, and I think these are already used, but it goes with the team. I didn't have any black ones, but if not in a rush to get it. This thing came with his own headset. This is a 44 to 55, 44 on top, 55 on the bottom. And this stem and handlebar, this is the one that I had on the Mongoose Blackcam. And then I also have a clamp coming in on the male. And this is the RockShox Revelation that I service. Make sure you check that one out. And these are the WTV STI 35 tires, wheels with the other one on the back. Again, I have rotors and everything ready to go for this one. So in my opinion, I think this bike really looks really good. If you not in pair with me, let me know down in the comments below. If I kind of wanted to keep it black, but then again, I have 2 more black bikes and I just wanted to go a little bit different. I know it's the same paint scheme as my Otter, but I really like the way that one turned out, and I really like the way this one turned out. I still got a little bit ways to go. As you know, as I told you before, I got a few more parts coming in. Hopefully I have it ready soon so I can start reviewing this thing, take it to a trail, see how it performs. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check links, and other than that, I guess I'll see you in the trails. Let's ride!